Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin, a Freedom Motivator, and today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos using my favorite photo editor app, Photoscapex. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Lehner, and what we do here is we do how-to videos, entrepreneurship videos, motivation related videos, and anything to do with making money on the internet surrounding around entrepreneurship. Okay, today I got a good video for you. I'm going to show you how to do a YouTube thumbnail the easy way with Photoscapex photo editor. Okay, and so we'll get right on in on this, and if you haven't already, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there at the bottom right and click that bell so that you get notified when we post again. Okay, alright, thanks. Let's go ahead and get right into this. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video, or not a video, but a thumbnail right now for this video that you're watching. Okay, I'll show you how easy it is to do it in this with Photoscapex. Okay, so just a moment here, I need to switch over my cameras. There we go. Sorry about that little technical error there. Alright, we'll get on it here right now. Alright, what I'm going to do is we're going to open up Photoscapex. This is the program. If you remember, about 2 videos back, I did a video about this application, and it's a free application. You can get it for free. And it's just easy to use and works really, really well. If you saw my video on that, you saw how good that thing works. Alright, so what I'm going to do is make a thumbnail for this particular video that you're watching right now. Alright, so I've got it open here, and I'm going to choose, you can use any background you want, okay, or any kind of a background you want. Now you can go to, what I did was here is I went ahead and went to Google and I typed in YouTube backgrounds. Okay, now these aren't the correct size, all of them. Some of them are and some of them aren't. But there's just, there's hundreds of thousands of them. Okay, so you can pick any one you want or whatever to use. Now, what you're going to have to do is I'm going to use one that I use all the time. Is this one right here. Now, it brings it up in the editor, but we need to resize it. You need the size that you need to fit for your YouTube videos is 1280 by 720. Okay, so I'm going to come up here and click on resize, and I'm going to uncheck the preserve aspect ratio, otherwise it won't do it right. So 1280 by 720, right? And then just click apply, and it just sets it. It wasn't too far off as it is to begin with, but that's what it should be right there. Alright, so just keep an eye on this and watch how easy this editor is to use. Now, I'm not going to change the color on it or anything like that. I like it just the way it is. You can click on color up here, and you can do all kinds of different things with it to edit it and make it look how you want to. Alrighty, so we're going back to the editor part here, and I'm going to just simply insert some text here. And so I click on text up here at the top, and it puts a little text box in here, and I'm going to adjust the size a little bit over here to the right. See, I'm going to set it for 60 right now. Clear out the word text, and let's see, what we're going to make this create a let's see, I'm going to actually make this uppercase here. So create a thumbnail, and then we'll just stop it right there at that, and I'll set that up there, and then click text again, puts in another text box, change it to 60 is what I usually set it for. I use that same 60 size on the font for even my my Instagram photos. Okay, and so create a thumbnail for YouTube. Now, if I spell right, I'll be in good shape today. Okay. Create a thumbnail for YouTube. And we'll just kind of set that up there for now. And I'm going to click off on that, close that out, add another text box, change it to 60, clear out the text up here, and we're going to put I'm going to type in the easy way, and we'll leave that like that. Move this kind of up here, put another text box in, drag it down out of the way here so we won't overlap. Not that it'll matter too much. Change it to 60, back this out, and we'll just put in here a step by step. Right? Alright, so we have that right there. Now I can change the color of the text, right? Now I usually like to make my text orange, green, or yellow, or sometimes blue. So I'm going to click on the color box over here, and I'm going to change the text in here to green. Okay? And then we're just going to make it a little bit larger, so it sort of covers up, and it's easy to read up on when you get it on the YouTube. Alright, and that one's good. And this one here will do the same. Actually, I think I'll make it in orange. So we'll just come over here and just click on full orange, move this stuff out of the way. I'll click on that and drag this out a little bit. Sort of get the distance between the letters sort of, you want to get them sort of even so it looks good. And then we'll highlight this one here, and this one here we'll leave well, we'll go ahead and put that in sort of like a bluish color. Let's call it the easy way and leave that in blue, and then drag it. You can see the center line on this. Is the nice thing about this program. See that center line showing up there when I move this text around? That's where you want it. That shows you dead center. Okay, most of your, I think most of your editors do that too. And we'll make this one a little bit bigger. Alright, and I'm just going to sort of offset it a little bit because I'm going to put my image over here, which you guys are used to seeing on my other ones. And then the step-by-step one, we'll set it up with, and make it green as well. Okay? Make a full green on that one. And then we'll just make it larger. Okay, and offset a little bit. Alright, so there you go. See how easy that was? Didn't take long at all, did it? Alright, now let's add an image. So we'll click off and get the editor off of those words. And I've already got the shadow. Now I'll show you how to put the shadow back there behind it. If you see it over here where it says drop shadow, I've got that checked already. If you uncheck it, it takes it away. But you really want a drop shadow back there. It sort of makes the letters pop off the screen. Sort of gives them maybe a 3D kind of effect to them. Alright, so, and we're done with that. And now I'm going to put my image over here. So I click on images, and I got to find it here first. And let's see here if I can find it. There it is. Alrighty, I've got a little silhouette of myself, the one you guys are used to seeing. So I simply click on that, and then just going to drag it over here. And it doesn't matter that I'm up just a little bit over those letters. You still are able to read them. So we'll just set that right there, and then we'll put a little, we'll put a sticker, which is some of these smiley faces here, and I'll just take the one with the hearts over the eyes, like we really love this, and just kind of set it over here. So yeah, and see your lines come up so it shows where it's centered at and stuff. About right there. So that looks pretty good. Don't have to shrink it. I mean, you could shrink it by dragging your things or whatever, and just there's no reason to do that. Actually, make it a little bit bigger. There we go. All right, so that's pretty much it, and I consider it done at that point. You can add in all kinds of other stuff. I mean, just you can add all kind of things in there, but that's considered done at that point. So now it's just a matter of saving it now. Okay. So we'll just come down here to the bottom right, and let me get me out of the way here. Down here at the bottom right, you see where it says save. Just simply click on save. It's going to come up and tell you where to save it to. I've already got mine set to save it in pics today, and I just click on save. It shows a little save there in the middle, and it's done. Just that quick. Alrighty, and then you just simply upload it to your video on YouTube when you upload your video, and it'll put it right on there for you automatically. So you see how easy that is? Now, if you want to get Photoscapex, go back and check my video out, 2 videos back, how to get a powerful free app, photo editor app for PC and Mac. Alrighty, and I give you in there the link on where to get this application at. And it's totally free. You can pay for the pro version of it if you want, but it's just not necessary. Watch that video, you'll see. Alright, so that's what I had for you today, folks. I wanted to show you how to create a quick thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Make sure to make it 1280 by 720 in size, and you should be good to go, okay? Alright, well, if you want to see my #1 business, click the link below, and you get over $3,600 worth of marketing bonuses with it. I've added to this now for free. Alrighty, and you'll see that link down below in the description below. Click on mentorwithkev.com. Okay. Also hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and connect with me there and see my other links down there. I got other helpful videos down below there in the description too that'll help you out as well. Okay. Alrighty, guys. That's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, and if you liked the video, please reach down and click the thumbs up button for me. It'll help my channel grow a little bit, okay? And don't forget to subscribe too. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you here in a couple of days on the next video, all right? Thanks. Bye now.